Hi, how are you? My name's Edward Plant and I'm one of the founders of the Business League. Together with my wife, the other founder, we run the Business League, a community on the Gold Coast whose focus is to support each other, connect, develop and grow their business, to make their business better, their communities better, and make the Gold Coast a better place so that we can enjoy this amazing place we call home. I've just pulled over. Excuse the car driving past. I've just pulled over on the side of the road. I've got a call from my wife saying, hey, Charles, 2-year-old wants a cuddle and a kiss. So I'm just waiting for them. But while I was waiting, I thought I'd give you a shout out, say g'day, and let you know about the breakfast that you've registered for on Wednesday, the 4th of July. So we're expecting about 80 people to turn up. We have got an amazing guy coming to present to us. Just let a couple of cars go past. He is flying in from Zurich into the Gold Coast specifically to talk to business owners on the Gold Coast. He has a huge wealth of experience in running an international company that's in 36 countries throughout the world and is a major brand in the sporting world. He has a wealth of experience and he's coming in to share with us. We've chatted to him a couple of times. He is so generous with his time and we're really honoured to have him there. So you can expect a world-class guest speaker who you're going to get to connect with and actually communicate with as well. We're not a huge venue that has 500 people and you can see the speaker from the back of the room. We're a small, intimate group. The doors open at 6:30. Breakfast starts at 7, we're finished by 9. Come and say g'day when you get there, bring business cards and be prepared to meet some other quality business owners. If you've got any questions, hit reply. My wife's just turned up with our 2-year-old, so I'm going to go say g'day to them. But I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday the 4th of July at Bond Uni.